When you think of a snorkel on a vehicle, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Probably some insane river crossing, right? But is that the real reason people install them, or is there more to it? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about off-road snorkels, what they do, why you might need one, and the pros and cons before you buy. So let's start with the basics. A snorkel is essentially a raised air intake for your engine. From the factory, your air intake is usually inside the fender or behind the grille. That's fine for daily driving, but off-road, you're exposed to water, dust, sand, and mud, all things that can restrict airflow to your engine. The snorkel moves that intake point from the engine bay up to near the top of your windshield or roof, where the air is generally cleaner, cooler, and drier. The idea is simple. Give your engine the best possible air supply, no matter the conditions. So why do people install snorkels? There are three big reasons. Number one, water crossings. This is the obvious one. If you're crossing rivers or deep water, a snorkel can prevent hydrolocking your engine, suck water instead of air, and your engine is done. Number two, cleaner air off-road. If you've ever been on a dusty trail, you know how bad it gets behind another rig. That dust hangs low right where your factory intake usually is. A snorkel pulls air from higher up, away from the worst of the dust, which means your air filter stays cleaner and your engine breathes easier. Number three, cooler air. Air up high is often cooler than engine bay temps, which can improve performance and efficiency. Being outside of the engine bay, it will also force air into the airbox at higher speeds. It's not a huge gain, but every little bit helps, especially when your engine is working hard. You'll also notice more induction noise due to the intake being exposed, which some people like.
Imagine hitting the trails in this built 2022 4Runner and $10,000 in your pocket. Well, now's your chance to make it a reality. Head over to the site. Every $1 that you spend is going to be one entry, and that single dollar could be the start to your next adventure. The clock is ticking. The giveaway ends November 10th, 2025. Click the link down below for all the details. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's clear up a couple myths. A snorkel does not make your truck a submarine, especially on newer rigs with all the electronics and sensors. Just because you have one doesn't mean you can bury your rig in water. If your diff breathers, electrical system, or seals aren't prepped, you can still do some serious damage. Also, a snorkel alone won't make your engine completely dustproof. It's just a tool to help reduce the amount of debris getting to your filter. So don't skip regular maintenance. Driving in rain is also another worry that some people have. Now, obviously some water will get down the snorkel, but it is nothing I would worry about. If you are worried, one thing you can do is turn the snorkel head 180 degrees so that rain isn't being pushed in while driving. Okay, so what are the cons? First, installation. Most snorkels require cutting a big hole in your fender. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can take it to your local shop to have the snorkel installed. Second, cost. Snorkels aren't cheap, and the good ones can run several $100s. Add professional install, and now it's an investment. And the last thing is looks. Some people love the aggressive overland aesthetic, some hate it. Now that's subjective, but it was worth mentioning. So, do you really need a snorkel? If you're mostly mall crawling or sticking to light trails, probably not. Your factory intake is fine for doing that. But if you're into overlanding, water crossings, or spending a lot of time on dusty trails, then yes, a snorkel can be a game changer. It's all about where and how you use your rig. Snorkels aren't just for hardcore off-roaders. Think about your environment, your driving style, and your comfort level with the install. Now, if you're running a snorkel on your build, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. And if you're looking for a high-quality snorkel for your 4Runner, Tacoma, or Tundra, check out the options below on our site. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and I'll catch you on the next one.